So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about this, guys. I've had this product in my garage for a while, and I finally had the time to put it out. And I think it's going to be very beneficial to a bunch of you. As a matter of fact, I know it's going to be very beneficial to a bunch of you guys, and it's going to be beneficial to me too. So I have 5 motorcycles here in my garage. Now, I don't have a 3-car garage or anything like that. So when it comes time for me to kind of maneuver my motorcycles around, I mean, you guys know you got to do a bunch of this to get it where you want it, and that's a pain in the butt. It's time consuming. And if you have a motorcycle jack, you can jack the motorcycle up, and depending on how well it rolls, I have 2 motorcycle jacks. One of them doesn't roll that well, so it's a workout to push it. And then I have another motorcycle jack that it rolls very easily, and I don't have any issues with that. The problem comes in if I just want to move my motorcycle, not just forward and backward, but I also want to move it side to side. Now, you're not going to be able to do that with a jack. So with the jack, same thing. I have to kind of maneuver it around, and sometimes I run out of room the long way between my wall and another motorcycle. That's where this product comes in. This is from a company called Let's Roll. Okay, it's made in the USA. There's 2 components to this product. You see right here, if you can't read it, it says, "We show motorcycles the respect they deserve." Perfect motorcycle storage. And this is a product that is going to allow you to move your motorcycle around very easily. All right, it's a jack. That's what this is, I'm sure. And a dolly system. All right, let's get this thing set up. All right, guys, so I've jacked this motorcycle up several times, and with my jack, I pretty much know where to put it so that it's even. But this is not as wide as my jack, so I'll put it where I think it should be, and then, you know, we can go from there. All right. So let me make sure that it's on the frame evenly on both sides. Oh yeah, by plenty. It's actually on there by plenty. I have about this much space on the other side and about this much on this side, so we're good to go. Let's see if the wheels come off the ground evenly. All right, so I actually have the back coming up a little bit more than the front, but that's cool. So I'll remember next time where it is, I can move it over a little bit to the right. This is the full extension of the jack. So if you look at the wheels, that's how high this is gonna get off of the ground. So just to emphasize again, this is not meant to replace a jack if you're trying to get the bike to be at its highest level to get under it and do stuff. But it just needs to be high enough to be able to slide this underneath the bike. And once you have this where you want it, we're just gonna lower the jack onto it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lock the casters. And now I'm just gonna lower the bike onto it. All right, so now the motorcycle is off of the jack. It's on the let's roll, so let's roll. So clearly, this is much easier for me to move around. I can move it in any direction because all of the casters turn. See that? Nice and easy. So this is going to be much easier to move around the garage. And also, guys, look at that. It is sturdy. It is steady. Like usually you'll see the front going up and down a little bit more than the back, or the back going up and down a little bit more than the front. That's pretty damn steady, right? So I like this product. I like it a lot. It's definitely going to help me out, and I'm sure it'll help some of you guys out as well. All right, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I know there's anything you could be doing with your time, and the fact that you choose to spend a little bit of it with me, I highly appreciate that. I want to thank Let's Roll for providing me with this product so that I can share it with you guys. And this is a winner. I definitely think it is. I think it's going to help out a lot of you guys.